If you're interested in settling in New Zealand, there are several visa categories available, but the most popular one for skilled workers is the Skilled Migrant category, SMC. It's designed to address the shortage of skilled workers in the country and to contribute to its economic growth. Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll explore the SMC in detail, including the requirements and eligibility criteria. To begin, let's take a look at the occupations that are in demand under the SMC. The New Zealand immigration website is the primary source of information for the SMC, which provides information on the specific occupations that are in demand. These occupations are divided into two lists: the Long-Term Skill Shortage List, LTSSL, and the Immediate Skill Shortage List, ISSL. The LTSSL includes occupations that have been identified as being in long-term demand in New Zealand, while the ISSL includes occupations that are in demand in specific regions of the country. The green list occupations are considered to be in critical shortage in New Zealand, and they include professions like healthcare, architecture and engineering, IT, business and administration, education, hospitality and tourism, among others. If you don't find your job in the demand list, don't worry. You can upskill yourself and learn new skills that are in demand in New Zealand from the comfort of your home. You can find many online platforms like Skillshare, an online learning community with thousands of online classes and members across 150 countries. You can explore the Skillshare class library completely free for 1 month, and the first 1,000 people to use my link will get 1 month free trial of Skillshare. Moving on, the SMC uses a point system to assist applicants' eligibility, and those who meet the minimum point threshold may be invited to apply for residency. Applicants must be under the age of 56 and meet certain skill, health, and character requirements. The points are awarded based on several factors, including age, qualifications, work experience, language proficiency, job offer, age of partner, qualifications of partner, etc. Age is an essential factor, and up to 30 points are awarded based on the applicant's age at the time of application. The maximum points are awarded to those aged between 20 and 29 years. The qualifications in the field of study are taken into account, and up to 70 points are awarded for an applicant's recognized qualifications. The level of qualification and the field of study are considered. The number of years of experience, the level of skill, and whether the experience was gained in New Zealand or overseas are considered, and up to 50 points are awarded for an applicant's skilled work experience. The IELTS test is used to assess an applicant's language proficiency, and up to 20 points are awarded for an applicant's ability to speak and understand English. If an applicant has a job offer in New Zealand in an occupation that is in demand, green list, up to 50 points are awarded. If an applicant's partner is aged between 18 and 39 years, up to 20 points are awarded. Finally, up to 20 points are awarded if an applicant's partner has recognized qualifications. In conclusion, the SMC is an excellent visa option for skilled workers who want to live and work in New Zealand permanently. It's designed to address the shortage of skilled workers in the country and to contribute to its economic growth. To know more about the SMC requirements and eligibility criteria, visit the New Zealand immigration website. And don't forget to upskill yourself with online platforms like Skillshare, which can help you learn new skills that are in demand in New Zealand from the comfort of your home. Now that you know how the point system works, let's move on to step 2, which is the expression of interest or your. This is the process where you declare your interest in applying for the SMC visa. You'll need to provide information about your age, qualifications, work experience, language proficiency, and other relevant details. Based on this information, you'll be assigned a point score, and if you meet the minimum threshold, you'll be invited to apply for residency. Step 3 is the residency application. If you receive an invitation to apply for residency, you'll need to provide more detailed information about your background and qualifications, as well as undergo a medical exam and provide a police clearance certificate. You'll also need to demonstrate that you meet the health and character requirements for residency. Once your application has been assessed and approved, You'll receive a residence permit that allows you to live and work in New Zealand permanently. You'll have access to the country's public services and be able to enjoy its high quality of life, beautiful scenery, and friendly people. In conclusion, the Skilled Migrant Category Visa is a great option for skilled workers who want to immigrate to New Zealand. By following the steps we've outlined in this video, you can increase your chances of being invited to apply for residency and achieving your dream of living and working in New Zealand. And don't forget, upskilling yourself by learning new skills through platforms like Skillshare can help you stand out and increase your chances of success. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos.